Hello everyone, my microphone working. I hope it's working. But hello everyone, it's me Rolex here. It's Christmas time. I made like a Christmas special, but I mean, I got a present and a headset. I mean, I look at the headset I have now. Oh shoot, it's charging. Oh, here's the one I have right now. I should probably. Yeah, this is the headset I have right now. It's very well focused, by the way. Very well focused. It's a wireless headset, so I mean, yeah. Also has a keyboard. For years now, I've been wanting a gaming keyboard, and here's the one I have right now. It's like, I should probably zoom out. Maybe that'll help the video a little bit. Yeah, that's a keyboard I have right now. I don't know why. This camera's not. And here's the mouse I have. I think if you've been on my channel for a little bit, zoom out. If you've been on my channel for a while, yeah, you might know this mouse. I'm probably not, but yeah. So if you see right here, you see that the rubber's falling off, and I can't put it back on. So I'm glad I got a new mouse. And this present's for my parents. So thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad, for the present. Alright, so let's get to unboxing this thing, shall we? Alright. So, here's this thing. This thing is, out of here. The Razer Ornata, I don't know what that is. I don't follow anything that's with devices. Oh, it's the keyboard, the best part. I should say this. Gigantus. I'm assuming this is the mouse pad, which is why I'm opening it first, because I already have a mouse pad. I don't want to have a second mouse pad, but hey, I'll take it. But I think this is someone texting me on my phone, eh? Big on phone. Alright. So there's a box here. Wait, this might be the... I'm not sure. This is either the mouse pad or it's the mouse itself. It's the mouse pad. There's just like thing right here that says like it's fragile, but I don't think a mouse pad can be very fragile. I think I'm fine. I think this is bigger than my other mouse pad. Alright. Also looks like a lot. Oh, that's satisfying. I think it's wrong. It's the wrong side. It's just plain. I think it's bigger than my old mouse pad. I'm gonna quickly fix that up. Well, old mouse pad, well you I guess you served me a nice few weeks and good amount of views for your video. Goodbye. Oh shoot. Kinda gotta move the rest of my setup, but it's fine. What's the left side and what's the right side? I'm very confused. Boom, it's all cleaned up. Alright, next up, Black Shark. Why is there Black Shark? I'm pretty sure this is the headset, because the other one's a lot smaller, so it's probably the mouse. So yeah, I'm not in need of a new headset. The old one's perfectly fine. What? Yeah, this is definitely a headset. I gotta learn. Hold on, I thought this was the box. It was just the package. Only nerds read the package box. This thing is in foam. This is for gamers. That's kind of cringe. By gamers. That's so cringe. Oh my goodness. That's stupid. It's no foam though. It feels nice. Oh, it's my first gaming headset. It's the first for everything this year, including being in a pandemic. Oh. Hey, I have a bag to carry the headset. I don't think I need this. Oh, it has this mic thing. Please say this is wireless. I don't like wired headsets and phone off. Oh, okay. Is this the wire? No. Wired headsets. No. I'll take it though. Of course, it's a wired headset. It's a wired headset. But yeah, that's it. So wow, this is pretty comfortable. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna show you how it fits on me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you how it fits on me. I don't know. I can't tell if you can see or not. I'll have to watch the replay. Really chunky headset, but box. You got nice foam in here though. Nice foam in here. Gamers from the surf. Nice foam. I'm gonna have to clean all of this up later. That's tough. Box. Oh yes, this cloth I needed to carry my headphones in. I'm pretty sure hands exist, but yeah. All right. The second most important. The second most important part of the video, the mouse. Now the mouse is important because I need to switch this thing because I should probably unplug this. Yeah, as you can see, the rubber's falling off as I've stated before. And why is my camera not in focus? The camera should be in focus right now. Gosh, as you can see, it's like falling off. So rest in peace. I've had this one for a while now, as long as I had my laptop for it. And here's the box. Opening that mouse. I'm a really good. I should really do an unboxing channel. I'm totally good at this thing. For gamers, but it's not like the Razer motto or something. Cause like I gotta really reconsider who I'm buying this from. And oh, that's nice. That's a nice packaging. Something else in the box. I can toss it out. It's of course a wired mouse because only good mouses are wired. And how do I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to learn how to do this. Oh, yeah, it has two mouse buttons. That's kind of what I needed. Oh, and I think this is much better for butterfly clicking in Minecraft. And oh, okay, that's cool. Wait. Get ready. Oh, that was clean. That's pretty nice looking mouse, not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty fancy. I think it's better than my old one. Look at that. Apparently they had to protect the USB because they have this cap. Now the most important and most inciting, oh wow. Oh, they have, I didn't know they had keys here, and, damn, this is a pretty sick. I didn't know they had, this is way too many mouse buttons for one man to have, way too much power. Way too much power for one man to have. The biggest part of the video, of course, it's the keyboard. Because I need a new keyboard. The old one is pretty trash. It's not even meant for gaming. Here is, I've never ever had a gaming keyboard. Never had a gaming headset, and Razer's corrupted my computer now. I got. Oh, it's a wired keyboard, of course, because all the good stuff, all the good content, wired. Oh, mechanical keyboard. Oh, and they also have this wrist support thing. I guess I'll take it. I'll put it down for now. And those are instructions, but I'm a pro gamer. Who needs instructions? I think. Again, another cap. I feel like I think they're like taking electronic protection too seriously. Way too seriously. stepping on the cover plastic. I'm not gonna use it anyways. It's pretty cool. It was wired. It was a wireless. My old one was wireless, so it's just the thing. Here's the USB, so I'm gonna have to put it back. And for some reason, my camera doesn't know how to focus. There you go. It goes into this thing. It goes into the back of it. So, and after years of using this thing, I'm not sure if it's years or not, but you know, it gets to where tight. Where do I put? I'm pretty sure you put it here, right? Oh no, you put it here. Yeah, you put it here. And how do I do this? Here. And then you slide it. Goodbye to this keyboard. I had it for a while. Hello to new keyboard. Oh, I think this is a lot. Guys, hear this quality? I think there's a wrist support for the thing. It's in this packaging, of course. Of course, they have the logo on it. Let's see. So apparently, you just had to put it here. Okay, that's cool. Well, I'm just gonna have to set all this up, and I guess I can show you some quick gameplay. How's your day? I hope you have a really good day. Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas. I think I better aim at this mouse, dude. No! Huh? Okay, let's get a license to play. Oh my gosh. I hate you! I hate you! Oh, bro, this game is stupid. I hate this. No. This game is stupid. Well, but anyways, that was just kind of a nice review for my... Wait, am I able to F... Oh, because in my old keyboard, I wasn't able to F5 without having to... You know, go on my laptop keyboard. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Pay attention on the road. I'm also having a seizure right now, and of course, peace out.